Eco-design for 2025. Sustainable luxury materials and modern home decor trends. Step into the future of home decor, where sustainable luxury materials redefine elegance and transform the way we think about interior design. In 2025, the emphasis is on creating a harmonious blend of style, responsibility, and environmental consciousness. As we look to the future, modern interior design is beginning to adopt eco-friendly choices that seamlessly integrate beauty with sustainability, creating spaces that not only captivate the eye but also align with our planet-friendly values. Imagine walking into a room where every piece of decor tells a story of mindful craftsmanship. Picture focal pieces crafted from reclaimed wood, which not only adds character and warmth to a space, but also speaks to the cyclic nature of materials. Organic textiles wrap your furniture in comfort, while minimizing the ecological footprint left behind by traditional manufacturing processes. Meanwhile, recycled metals are molded into stunning designs, adding a touch of industrial chic that complements both contemporary and classic aesthetics. These elements come together to not only elevate your living space, but also to create a calming, harmonious atmosphere that resonates deeply with the values of sustainability and mindful living. Delve deeper into the possibilities offered by natural elements like bamboo, cork, and stone. These materials can transform your home into a sanctuary of sustainable sophistication. Bamboo's rapid growth and resilience make it an ideal candidate for everything from flooring to furniture, offering a sustainable alternative to more traditional hardwoods. Cork, with its unique texture and insulating properties, adds warmth underfoot and provides a tactile experience unlike any other. Stone, whether it's used in countertops, flooring, or accent walls, provides a timeless elegance that grounds any space in the natural world. The thoughtful application of these materials, From statement furniture pieces to subtle accents, is designed to inspire a sense of joy and tranquility. To complement the natural texture and color of these sustainable materials, consider pairing them with soft, earthy tones. These hues work in harmony with lush greenery, creating a space that feels both luxurious and grounded in nature. Whether you're designing a cozy reading nook or a grand living room, eco-friendly design ensures that every corner of your home is a testament to your commitment to a brighter, greener future. Let your home become a reflection of the beauty of sustainable living. The trends of 2025 show us that it is possible to enjoy the perfect balance of opulence and eco-consciousness, making every corner of your space a celebration of both nature and innovation. Embrace these ideas to create a home that not only looks stunning, but also feels deeply connected to the world around us. Together, we can design a future where luxury and sustainability go hand in hand, crafting environments that respect the planet while providing a haven of beauty and comfort.